Yes, it's a $2 car charger. Again. But this one claims to have Qualcomm Quickcharge 3.0 and can output 18 watts. But that is separate from 3.4 amps, I think. Or maybe on 5 volts, 2 ports. Anyway, it can output 9 volts also and 7. Output 3.6, 6.5, 6.6, 9. That's interesting. Oh, and here it says 9 to 12. Yeah, whatever. I don't know what this what this standard uses. That's not usually how smartphones charge. They require 5, 6, or 9. I don't know what all these other ranges are. So yeah, before I even try it out, I want to take it apart to see if it has any good components inside. Or if it doesn't, then yeah, I don't know what I'll use it for. So the cable seems fine, mostly fine. I think I'll convert it to a micro USB. Just chop this off and solder on a micro USB plug. And yeah, let's see if the packaging has anything on the back side. No, the same specs here. Input and output. Oh yeah, it has 2 different ports. So only one supports voltages up to 12. And the other one only 5 volts, 3.4 amps max. Okay. So it's for the one What? Oh yeah, total output. Yeah, this is kind of confusing. Probably a Chinese guy was responsible for the translation. Yeah. So, the well-renowned brand of Hoco. Premium product for $2. Yeah, okay. So let's see how we can get into this. This seems to be one solid plastic piece and the top should come off somehow. Like that, or from here. I don't know. I never took apart a fancy design like this. But it seems it has a crevice here. So I just... yeah. Okay. I think I'm pulling it apart nicely. Oh boy, it flew away. Okay. But it's not a problem. So, yeah. I think I got it. Oh boy, it's here. Yep. Just piece of plastic. Nothing on it. And let's see what's inside. This should be interesting. So, usually you have to push these two. Or just pull it out. How does this work? Oh, push it in. That's hard. That's a bit hard. Anyway, it has a two circuit boards here. I can see that much. A big capacitor. A coil back there. Seems kind of nice and big. So maybe this thing can work, but yeah, I don't know how to press this in. How can I do that? And pull at the same time. Nope, it's not gonna work. So what can I do? Heh. Oh boy, this USB port is moving. Are they just modular and you can pull them out? I don't think so. It's just not held on very well. Oh boy. Yeah. Yeah. I ruined this port. But at least I'll see what's inside. Okay. So that's a shitty port. But this part is okay still. So I think I'll just cut this open. There's no other way to do it. How can I cut this open? Oh boy. With a saw blade. Do I have a saw here? I think I saw a saw here. Or, yeah, the old method of using a soldering iron. I think that will work now. I'll try that. It will create the smell, but yeah. So just make a cut here. And as expected, this is not heat resistant. The plastic, I mean, even though it should be on chargers. Yeah, that should have weakened it a lot. And then we take some pliers and we'll find out what idiots we've been, because there's another way of disassembling it. Oh boy. Let's see what's inside. No affiliation to the What's Inside channel. I'm just curious what's inside. Yeah, that piece of metal is soldered to the board. I couldn't have done it better because it's soldered. So you have to take out those contacts. It's a big piece of metal. There's no way around it. Yeah. You can't hold on to this. There's no material left to hold on to. But yeah. Oh boy, if I pushed any harder, I would have pushed against the coil. Oh boy. Yeah. So my instinct was good to just break it apart, because yeah, I would have damaged it. This is some hard plastic, man. Not plastic, man, but it's plastic, man. Oh boy. Yeah, it's coming. It's coming. Okay. I think I oops. Yeah, breaking the capacitor. Crap. Yeah, I think I ruined the capacitor. I'll have to replace that. Oh boy, that was stupid. But yeah, what you gonna do? When you use a hammer or pliers on electronics, yeah, this happens. But no problem, I have capacitors laying around everywhere. So yeah, I just cut a small part here to free the metal part, I think. Like that. For some reason it doesn't like me. Okay. Come on out. And now it comes out. Marvelous. Okay, so it has a quite nice coil here. This is good, but where's the chip? Oh, here's the chip. We'll have to look that up, but my best guess is that it doesn't support those amperages. Can I focus on it? Man, I can't read it. What? It's probably a bad chip from a big factory, and they reused it in some cheap products. And it should barely work. So yeah, that's what you get. And as you can see, the metal part is soldered here. So I couldn't have removed this without damaging anything. So yeah, that's interesting. I'll have to test it to see if it heats up very much. But yeah, if it does output 3 amps, then I can use it. If not, then I just used it for this video. Oh, here's the part number. Z31. Yeah, that's the part number on the box too. Okay. And it says 18 watts. Yeah. This small thing does 18 watts. I bet. When this big voltage converter, this can only do 15 watts. This big giant with a big winding, big chip, big capacitor, better capacitor. So yeah, maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. We'll have to see in another video.